When building more complex shapes using pinch pots, I've got 2 pots that are about the same size, roughly a ½ pound each. And I'm going to join them together. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to join them together in a ball, but you could easily stack them or use larger pinch pots to get whatever your desired shape is. It's a very simple process to get started. I've got my 2 pinch pots that I'm going to be adding together. You're going to score both of the edges. So take some sort of tool and rough up the edges, really get them roughed up. Any sort of anger or angst that you might have this morning, take it out on the edge of that clay and get it nice and rough. These crumble bits are what's actually going to help hold everything together. So make sure you get some good marks happening. If we just freckle poke it, that's not going to hold. You really want to make a good rough mark. So I've scored both of my pieces, and I'm going to take some slip. Now I'm using my personal slip at the moment, which I do have in a pour bottle. However, around the room there are buckets or little containers of slip that exist. And it'll look gooey, kind of like glue or peanut butter. So make sure you get slip all around your scored area. You only have to apply the slip to one side because we're going to join the 2 pieces together. But I've got slip all over the scored area, and now I'm going to join the 2 to become one. Now this is where I like to pretend that my clay building is open heart surgery. And I say that because I have done the hard part of joining these 2 pieces together. However, I still have a scar. You wouldn't perform our open heart surgery and not stitch up the hole afterwards. So I'm going to take a tool. I like to use my clay knife or a modeling tool, and we're going to just smooth those seams together so that by the end it'll look like one uniform ball of clay that's hollow on the inside. And you won't even really be able to tell where the seam between the 2 pieces was. And now we have our pinch pot form that we can start to build from, which you're going to have to slowly maneuver however you need. So if I were making this as part of a body, I might start to squish the sides a little bit and elongate it out so it looks more like a potato. Maybe it's more of a snowman, so I'll have to create a bit of a dip in the middle and have the bottom be fatter. Just like when we were working on the simple pinch pots, you're not going to go straight from pinch bubble to your finished product all in one motion. You have to make small changes a little bit at a time and gradually get the clay to do what you want. But this is a good start.